Everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how we can simply disable a voice chat in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Call of Duty, and now what you want to do is just click here on options, and you're gonna write to audio, click there, and you're gonna see voice chat, and just click here on disabled, or mute everyone except party, or mute everyone except friends. Also, what I can recommend is pressing F9, and you can disable and enable it like that. So disable here or F9. Test it out by yourself, what works, what doesn't, but this should probably be it. If you have any questions, guys, ask them down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support, know how it works. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a great day and goodbye.